The DAF001 digital water meter by Doyon allows you to add the precise amount of water that you need to give the proper consistency and to avoid flat flavored or dry crumbed breads. The DAF001 accurately meters from 0.1 to 99.9 liters and measures water temperatures from 34 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Standard features of the DAF001 digital water meter include water flow rates from 2 to 45 liters per minute, water pressure from 3.6 to 116 psi. Water flow rate can be measured in liters, US gallons, or Canadian gallons, and water temperatures can be measured in degrees of Fahrenheit or Celsius. In today's video, we will be going over operational use of the Doyon DAF001 water meter. Once plugged into the appropriate power source, the DAF001 is ready to be used. We have a few key features on our water meter. First, on the left, we have a water filter that's hooked up to our water line. This is where your water enters into the meter. On the other side, we have the exiting water hose, which will dispense the water into our appropriate bucket for us. Looking at the electronic control panel, we have a start dispense button, a water meter indicator light, which will either be on or off, a increasing and reducing the quantity of water desired. This right here is the temperature of our water, quantity desired, and then quantity actually dispensed. Then right here is the place the quantity dispensed at 0. This is our reset button. Right now our meter is set to Fahrenheit. So this meter does not actually control the temperature of the water coming out, but it will read the temperature for us. To switch our meter to Celsius or Fahrenheit, we can change that by placing one finger on our reset button and one finger on the plus button. So there we've toggled over to Celsius, and then toggling back to Fahrenheit. Another thing we can do is we can change the way that the water is being measured, whether that's liters, US gallons, or Canadian gallons. So for this, we need to turn on the button for power, and here we'll toggle and hold and press the reset button and our minus button at the same time. You'll see there we have Canadian gallons, US gallons, and liters. We'll keep it at liters for now. So now we are ready to dispense water. The purpose of the hose is to dispense your water straight into the mixing bowl that you'll be making your bread in. Today, my bread recipe calls for 2 liters of water. I'm going to put my end of my hose into my bucket, and now we hit the dispense button. As you could see in the video, this is what we set our desired quantity to, and then the machine counted up from 0 until we hit that 2 liters. Achieve the perfect dough for superior baked goods every time using the Doyon DAF001 water meter. You get the absolute best results with dough that has been handled as little as possible, and a Doyon water meter is a perfect complement to your mixing process. For further information regarding user manuals and warranties, please visit us at our website.